I'm Kate Simpson. I've recently switched jobs. I was in a law firm as a Chief Knowledge and Innovation Officer for 10 years, but I've switched to a consultant with firemen. I'm based here in Toronto, Canada, but as you can hear from my accent, I've not always been here. London, England in the 1990s was an epic time to be in my 20s, just starting out in my career. We had the Spice Girls, Britpop, we had a new government, we had the Good Friday Agreement, and this thing called the World Wide Web. Plus, I'd just married my soulmate. It was turning out to be a fab decade. But I wanted to be a lawyer so badly. Richard Susskind had just published his book as I was graduating, The Future of Law, and I was so excited to join this forward-thinking and innovative profession. I'm still waiting. But I literally thought back then that my life was over when I didn't get an articling position. All my friends who did made their jobs photocopying and manual blacklining sound brilliant. And so I was very upset. I was bereft. Until a startup saved me. I joined a tiny online legal publishing company that was single-handedly disrupting the giants of legal publishing. They were using their websites to sell CD-ROMs. We were figuring out information design, findability, and usability. Back then, this is how I thought about the world. I was somewhere in this beautiful middle of legal design and technology. We called it legal user experience. Now a common phrase. It wasn't until the 2000s, however, that I really found my home in knowledge management. Two innovative firms that I got to work for wanted to pool their knowledge and expertise, and so we built the very first KM systems. And suddenly I was super happy that I hadn't got that articling position, and that was 20 years ago. KM and the buzzy innovation that surrounds it is still my home. My Venn diagram now, however, looks more like this. This is how I problem solve. People, process, technology, and that all-important content, which our firms basically built upon. So now I'm applying that startup spirit and problem-solving obsession at Fireman. 2025 is turning out to be just such a great year. I have a new job and I get to join this college of brilliant minds. Thank you for inviting me and thank you for listening.